Incorporated.
I'd like to express our joy and gratitude to every one of you for attending Royal Palms ribbon cutting ceremony, which symbolizes a new beginning as well as a celebration of achievement for Primary Homes and its partners.
And we give the whole family of Primary Homes Incorporated a big round of applause, mga higala!
From our honored guests and local leaders, and to our future neighbors, which we call mga silingan, of course to our reliable partners and stakeholders, as part of the primary group of builders, we are deeply dedicated to quality and sustainability. Last year, we're being recognized as the best sustainable developer nationally. Ang atong Toledo City is being recognized as one of the best sustainable city. This project is being supported by two big wigs. No? The developer is being known for its being very sustainable. We all understand the aspirations of every family, and we are dedicated to delivering on our promises. Please enjoy the rest of the day, and let's celebrate very launching of this very memorable Royal Palms Toledo, which is down here in Toledo City. Thank you very much and daghang salamat.
Before we unveil finally the units, the amenities of Royal Palms Toledo, Royal Palms Toledo, mga higala, is a contemporary community with resort-type amenities. Nestled in the plains of southwestern Cebu, a life of relaxation is just within your reach with our community features and amenities. Your well-being begins the moment you enter Royal Palms Toledo.
There's a lot to be excited this morning, no? Kaya nagkakitang bagong balita, good news.
From Toledo and from the different parts of Cebu province, maayong buntag ka na tong tanan. Amazingly, yung barok na sad ning Royal Palms Mediterranean Homes, the first in Toledo City. So congratulations, Primary Homes, for coming up with decent housing here in Toledo. Primary Homes, wag mo na sayop sa pagpili sa Toledo City. Rest assured that Toledo will still continue to work hand in hand with all the investors here. We're not only an industrialized city, but also environment-friendly and a joyful city. Come and visit Royal Palms Primary Homes Incorporated. Quality and sustainable developer Primary Home. Daghang salamat! Congratulations, Primary Homes! Congratulations, Mr. Liu, and congratulations, Mr. Spines, and to all the staff behind Primary Homes Incorporated. God bless everyone!